In our previous videos, we have discussed 5 problems based on Cauchy's integral formula. Today we will discuss 2 more problems based on Cauchy's integral formula and Cauchy's integral formula with respect to derivatives. Sixth problem, evaluate integration of z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2 times of z plus 5 over the closed contour C with respect to z, where C is a contour from mod of z plus 1 plus I is equal to 2. Solution. Firstly, we have to find the roots of this equation by using the formula minus b plus or minus under the square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here b value is 2, therefore it is minus 2 plus or minus under the square root b square value is 4 minus 4 times of ac. Its value is 20 divided by, here a value is 1, therefore it is 2 into 1 which is 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under the square root minus 16 divided by 2. Square root of minus 16 can be written as 4 into I. Therefore, z is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 times of I divided by 2. On taking 2 common, we get z is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2 times of I. The given contour, it is a circle with radius 2 and center at z plus 1 plus I can be written as z minus of minus 1 minus I. Therefore, it is the circle with the center at minus 1 minus I. Here we got two roots. One is minus 1 plus 2I and another root is minus 1 minus 2I. Here minus 1 plus 2I lie outside and minus 1 minus 2I lie inside the circle. Let us consider the given function as pi of z is equal to z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2 times of z plus 5. Give it as equation number 1. Since we got two roots, namely z is equal to minus 1 plus 2I and z is equal to minus 1 minus 2I. First root can be written as z plus 1 minus 2 times of I and second root can be written as z plus 1 plus 2 times of I. Therefore, z square plus 2 times of z plus 5 can be written as z plus 1 plus 2I into z plus 1 minus 2 times of I. Since first root lie outside the circle, we can write it as z plus 4 divided by z plus 1 minus 2 times of I whole divided by z plus 1 plus 2 times of I. Here the numerator function can be written as f of z. Give it as equation number 2. Now we have to apply the Cauchy's integral formula. That is 2 pi I into f of I is equal to integration of f of z divided by z minus a with respect to z over the closed contour C. Give it as equation number 3. Now integrating this equation with respect to z, we get integration of pi of z with respect to z over the closed contour C is equal to integration of, this is the value of f of z, and z plus 1 plus 2 times of I can be written in the form of z minus a as z minus of minus 1 minus 2 times of I. Now here a value is minus 1 minus 2 times of I. Therefore, the value of this integral by using Cauchy's integral formula is 2 pi I into f of minus 1 minus 2 times of I. By equation number 2, we know the value of f of z. Therefore, we have to replace z by minus 1 minus 2 times of I in the equation number 2. That is 2 pi I into minus 1 minus 2 times of I plus 4 divided by z value is minus 1 minus 2 times of I plus 1 minus 2 times of I. On simplifying it, we get 2 pi I inside the bracket minus 2 times of I plus 3 divided by minus 4 times of I, which is equal to minus pi inside the bracket minus 2 times of I plus 3 divided by 2. On multiplying pi inside the bracket, we get 2 pi I minus 3 pi divided by 2, which is equal to pi inside the bracket I minus 3 divided by 2. This is the value of given integral. Seventh problem, evaluate integration of 1 divided by z cube of z minus 1 with respect to z over C where C is a circle of mod z is equal to 3. Solution. The contour C from mod z is equal to 3. It is a circle with a center at origin and a radius as 3. Let us consider the given function as pi of z, which is equal to 1 divided by z cube of z minus 1. It is analytic everywhere except at the points z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. Here both the values z is equal to 0 and 1 lie inside the circle. Therefore, here the numerator function, that is 1, can be written as f of z. Now we have to solve this value by using partial fraction method. That is 1 divided by z minus 1 into z cube can be written as a divided by z minus 1 plus b divided by z plus c divided by z square plus d divided by z cube, which is equal to, here the LCM is z minus 1 into z cube. In the numerator, a times of z cube plus b times of z minus 1 into z square plus c times of z minus 1 plus d times of z minus 1. On both the sides, z cube into z minus 1 will get cancelled. We get 1 is equal to a z cube plus b into z minus 1 z square plus c into z of z minus 1 plus d into z minus 1. Now we have to find the values of a, b, c and d. Put z is equal to 1. Here 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. 0 into anything is 0. Therefore, simply we get a value as 1. Now on putting z value as 0, we get 1 is equal to d of minus 1. This implies d value is minus 1. Now by putting z value as minus 1, we get 1 is equal to minus a plus b of minus 2 plus c of minus 1 into minus 2 plus d of minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2 times of b plus 2 times of c plus 2, which is equal to 2 times of b minus 2 times of c is equal to 0. This implies b is equal to c. Now by putting z value as 2, we get 1 is equal to a of 8 plus b of 4 plus c of 2 into 1 plus d of 1, which is equal to, here a value is 1, therefore it is simply 8 plus 4 times of b plus 2 times of c. Here d value is minus 1, therefore it is minus 1. This implies 4 times of b plus 2 times of c is equal to minus 6. We know that b value is c, therefore 4 times of b plus 2 times of b is equal to minus 6. Therefore 6 times of b is equal to minus 6. This implies b is equal to c is equal to minus 1. Now we have to substitute these values in this equation. Then we get, and also we have to integrate it with respect to z. That is, integration of pi of z with respect to z over closed contour C is equal to integration of 1 divided by z minus 1 minus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by z square minus 1 divided by z cube into f of z dz over closed curve C. Now we have to apply Cauchy's integral formula and Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives. Cauchy's integral formula is 2 pi I into f of a is equal to integration of f of z divided by z minus a with respect to z over closed curve C. And Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives is f dash of a is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi I into integration of f of z divided by z minus a whole square with respect to z over closed curve C. Above equation can be written as integration of f of z with respect to z divided by z minus 1 over C minus integration of f of z with respect to z divided by z over C minus integration of f of z divided by z square can be written as z minus 0 whole square with respect to z over C minus integration of f of z divided by z cube can be written as z minus 0 whole cube with respect to z over closed curve C. The value of first integral is 2 pi I into f of 1. The value of second integral is 2 pi I into f of 0. The value of third integral is 2 pi I into f dash of 0. The value of fourth integral is 2 pi I into f double dash of 0. Since f of z is equal to 1, this implies f of 1 is equal to 1. and f of 0 value is also equal to 1, and f dash of z is equal to 0. This implies f dash of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore 2 pi I into f of 1 value is 1 minus 2 pi I into f of 0 value is 1 minus 2 pi I into f dash of 0 value is 0 minus 2 pi I into f double dash of 0 value is 0, which is equal to 2 pi I minus 2 pi I minus 0 minus 0. Plus of the term minus of the term will get cancelled. We get the value of this integral is 0.